What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's still the 1st of October, but it is the evening. We're taking a look here at Pangolin this evening here. So it's let's see here. It's 8:08 p.m. on the East Coast. Quick update here. We're going to do an update on PNG. We're going to do an update on Aerodrome, and we'll look at Bitcoin probably in both of these videos here. So this morning we put out a PNG video speaking about this important area of support. So we have this support line here under the market where price has been finding support over time here, and we said, look, there's a chance that we break lower than here, unfortunately, and we definitely saw that today. So that's why we're up here doing an update this evening. Why did I say that? Well, because when you typically see this kind of pattern forming, the odds are stacked up. The odds are stacked for it to break lower rather than higher. Now, my argument to that was when things are obvious in the market, as in everybody sees the same thing, there's a chance that it doesn't happen. But anyways, putting that aside, we did break lower. So we're going to talk about that here for just a moment. It's going to be a quick video. We also talked about this morning, that here is a very similar scenario where we have the price kind of trading higher here. We had a line of support and we got the break lower 1, 2, 3 days. We rallied here and we actually turned the lower end of this line, what was once support, into a resistance, and then really got the smashing here for price. So we'll see how this plays out for PNG and obviously the rest of the market. We could see further downside action. Again, I have a support level down here at 18,701. So from where the current price is trading, that's going to put the price down another, you can call it 20% lower. So we're at 23. My level is below the market at 18. If we do something like what we saw back in here, we could get another day or two of decline and then rally back up, turning that level into resistance and maybe a much further drop. So we don't know if that's going to play out or not. But the main thing I just wanted to bring up here on this evening's video is, unfortunately for the bulls, we got a break below the support line, the once support line. We have a confirmation of a break lower. This should take price down quite a bit. I would not be surprised, like I said, to see it down here at that 1807. But we'll see. There is always that chance that, we get a ripping rally in the market and we retake this and, get back up into this range. Sometimes markets will do that. You'll get a major break of an important area of either resistance or support, and it'll actually turn around and go in the opposite direction. So what I mean by that is this still being a very obvious pattern here to the downside. It got the break, right? Everybody's looking for this to go lower, and it did. And then the market will actually turn around and go completely in the opposite direction, shaking everybody out, causing a short covering, essentially a short covering rally. So it's a couple different scenarios that could play out here. Again, we'll see how it goes. So far, since I did the video this morning, we got the break. So I just kind of wanted to cover that and just let you know what I think the risks are. And that is basically a 20% move lower right now to the downside. And if you're short PNG, I'm not even sure if you can short this, but if you can, just know the risks that there is a chance that markets can actually do a complete recovery from here and rally to the upside. And if you are short, assuming you can short this project, you'll be covering, and that'll even trigger a further rally. Anyways, that's my thoughts here on this. Just wanted to give you a quick evening update. Not too many people are watching the PNG videos, but hey, for those of you that are, hopefully you can find some value in it. Of course, not financial advice. You guys have a great evening. If you're not yet subscribed, join us here on the channel. It is 8:13 p.m. on the East Coast. We'll be back early tomorrow morning. Let's see what happens tonight in the markets.